Luo's sensational musician, Mr. KALAUSI, has sent his condolences to the family and friends of the late Nyar Onagi, who was widely known as a content creator and died 2 weeks after giving birth at Mama Lucy Hospital, and then the body was taken to Chiromo Mortuary in Nairobi. Taking the account on his TikTok, he said that the death of Nyar Onagi, Lorina Chieng, took the whole Luo fraternity and content created with a lot of shock, as he made it clear that they will work everything out to make sure that they help AUNGO, WUOD, AWENDO in the send-off ceremony of the late Jaber. This comes just days after a section of the Luo comedians visited AUNGO, WUOD, AWENDO, including Mondi, Prince Inda, among others, including the likes of Akina Kimbi Kimbi.